cold.
I'm OT trying to flip this pack and I ain't coming back to my backpack's loaded. On the M-way with a pack and a strap car when I'm in old, there's bare commotion. Look in my eyes, rude boy, I ain't joking. Step with the wettest intentions to soak him. You know that I'm really on my job, so when we're on the lick, don't come with no joke ting. Tryna rob man for a fucking crop, but I'm not really on that running in homes thing. I like whipping up cracking traps and wrapping up stores. Hearing that phone ring. Used to lick man for a fucking Z, now I line man up and lick man for the whole thing. Now I line man up and lick man for the whole thing. I'm tryna make cash, no tax, shoulda flip these fuck off racks in a bando. I'm tryna blow off rap, make a one-hit track that puts man's name on the map, bro. Rams or a flick knife, man, no, I dip guys on my mum's life, I'm a savage. Left and right, still crash it. 2 big barrels causing damage. Kill street, I think we need a package. No need to cat when I'm fucking rapping. Sword on my hip, I pray that I catch it. Lean on bot with a dodge and I clap it. Patrol their block, we know they ain't active. Back to the croft, this wax that we're stashing. See blue lights, see bare niggas dashing. See blue lights, see bare niggas dashing. My bro got nicked, had to put on his kick. Started up a business, shotting peps to the kit so I could get rich by a brick and a bit. Cut it down in the trap real quick. Yeah, the life that I live so fizz. Got the feds on my back and they want me nicked. Up block patrolling, brand new glizz. If the ops get shot, then it is what it is. We really put ammo in clips, press on the gas, then light up the strip. I'm not like him, I don't chat no fibs. Croft block, way you better know what it is. Croft block, but you better know what we're on. 4 doors, pop, see bear man run. Big 4-4, yeah, you might get bun. We really take kids from mums. How can I beef these washed out bums? And the beef is real, same time it's fun. I'm in the bando trying to figure these sums. On the ops talk blast, but they don't have guns. Rack on the dots, you fucking dumb. Can't talk too loose, but that whack got bummed. Bando basing, chasing funds for a rack of wheat, that